It's marble. A lot of them. Yeah. That's effective with the grasses by that. Oh, yeah. Look at the way they've done that.
Well, somebody's interested in grasses.
Okay folks, now on our left hand side we've got the lovely little village of Pearly, and Pearly actually came about being back in the day of Oscar Wilde when he was imprisoned in Reading Jail. This is where they used to do a prisoner relocation centre, so the Reading townsfolk weren't too keen on hardened criminals being reintroduced into town life, so they were actually set up over here in the summertime with a little plot left to fend for themselves. And on the left hand side, just next door to the house with the white railings, you can see two of the original houses that remain from that period.
He died in the Paris in France, didn't he?
Look at that modern house. This way you're moving to.
Yeah, he's undoing. He took his car. He took this. He had an affair with a young boy. And the young boy's father slowly.